Hey everybody, this is today's little build here. Rebuild this tow truck. It's definitely been gone through before. Looks like I tore the whole thing apart though, so not necessarily a rebuild, but we'll certainly find out if it's got all of its parts. I'm a little happy with everything going in a Ziploc bag though, I think. The instructions, all the pieces are one thing, but the instructions. So let's unzip this baby and see what we got inside storage for us, huh? So this tow truck is a pretty cool vehicle, I think. There. And we'll see what we have to start out with. We'll put instructions number 2 up to the side. This is actually a pretty big tow truck, ain't it? How many pieces is this bad boy? 227 pieces, so yeah. It's a moderately sized tow truck, I'd say. That's a bad way to start. That really is not cool. Not cool, sorry. I get my face out of the way. No one wants to see that. Ooh, got that pretty dirty. Not that the floor is clean by any means. It's just plywood, so. And we got our orange grate. And then we're already running into problems. 246, 246. There's our blue. Here's our big white tile. Apparently we're done with that. And now we'll go to this. This is going to go on the end. 1x6. And ooh, an orange grate. And then tire 1, tire 2, and a green tile. 2x4. Oh boy. Oh, there's some more tires. No reason to stress. That's all here. I keep telling myself that. We'll see if it actually materializes. Let's see, I need another orange grate. Goes here. Then we get to join, maybe, these two pieces together. There. That's going to be a pretty big truck, ain't it? It's a pretty big base anyway. All right, let's go. I really do need to have an instruction stand, don't I? So you guys can play along. There. Wonder where my thing went. I had that little thing, but there ain't no place to put the blasted thing, is there? I need a little tripod because this is just not working out. Let's see, I need a couple of orange, little glowy orange knobbies that I ain't seeing. There's one. We'll take it off the bottom. I'm sure that other piece goes there anyway, but we'll just stack them along as we go. We'll set them aside. That way we'll know where our 2 little red brake lights are. And we need these pieces to go on the front. They stick out the front, so that's good. Everything's going as planned, sort of. I say that a lot, don't I? Let's see, where's our angle piece at? You know, there's not that many pieces here. So, here it is. It's in the windshield. So this goes on the back, like so. And then these do go back here with the brake lights. Just doesn't show you putting brake lights on yet. But we'll cheat and, oh, it does show you putting brake lights on. Ah, shows what I know. All right, this goes on the back far end. I don't know. What do you think? So now that just blocks the view, so we'll see what we can do that way. How about that? Now on the back, we need our 2 wheel wells. Or actually, technically, we're going to go with 4 wheel wells. Considering they're already all there, I'm guessing something needs to go in between there. Well, I got all 6 wheel wells, so that's a good start. Let's see. Merrily moving along. Something does go there. How about that? Gotta put that there. And I don't know what the, you know. So 1x4 with angles. And we need an orange piece. It goes all the way to the end. Goes all the way to the front. And we need this there. Right. We're getting into some more modern Legos now because they have the little pictures showing what you're supposed to be doing. So that's always good. Super helpful. Okay, I need this to go here. That one can go off because I have obviously used the wrong one for that. Wow, look at that. That's not supported at all, is it? 3 Legos worth, and that's it. She'll sturdy up once we get the rest of it down there, I would think. So, not particularly strong yet. There's a 2x3, goes here. What else do we need? Well, we need our wrench holder. Why would that go sideways for? That's weird. Not sure. I like them up and down better. Now, if only we had the other one. And, oh, we do. How about that? It's in here and amongst all of this stuff. So we'll take that apart. There. And we've got a broom and a big, huge beat something in place sized wrench. Green goes here. And green cylinder goes not there. Oh. There we go. Like that. However the instructions tell us to do it. Because goodness knows, I wouldn't be able to pick it out on my own. That requires way too much thinking. And we need this single one with the 2 dots on it. It's a 1x4 with 2 dots. Then we need a gray. There, we need our fancy gray with this groove on it. That goes there as a step. Where's our other fancy gray at? Fancy, you know, I think I'm just going to grab one out of the tray. Right? Unfortunately, the tray's way up here. Oh, goodness gracious me. So we need one on the side too. There, just like that. Hope there's no unmentionables on camera. That would be gross. All right. And we need 2x4, 2x2, 2x2x2, 2 high, 2 wide, 2 wide, 2x2x2. It's kind of fun to say. We need a 1x6 orange. Let's tear this apart because that's everything I just did right there, which I could have just used and avoided the reach around. But you know, reach arounds are kind of fun. All right, that goes in the front. We'll just keep this on there because I'm betting that's where that goes. So 1x6 tile, 1x6 tile, light tan. And now we have this thingamajobbery, which I need some gray knobs. And I ain't seen any gray knobs. Well, this ain't it though. That one's cut off. I need a whole one. There. We'll just use this one that's got them in it already. Cheating, cheating. All right. That goes together. And we take these off. One on each side. It's the start of a totem pole, ain't it? There's the arms right there. All right. And these go here. And this goes here. Like so. They both get angled to the down. So that's useful. They went down. Now this piece goes right in there. Oh, come on now. No, too high. Stop it. There we go. Right? Right. Then we tilt them down. These black 2x1s, 1x2s, go there. We need our side pegs, so we need these pegs to go on the side. I'm assuming that's the grill. Assume all you want, because that's not the piece you need. There, you need it for these here. That's what it is. It just depends on where the steps go. I don't know. You think they're going to be up by the cab? Gas tank goes afterwards? Yeah, we'll take a 50-50 shot. See. Because those go there. Let's see. Another one of these. 1x4s with the 2 studs on it. To go across. It's still pretty flimsy. But we are not done building just yet. Are we? All right. Wheel wells go on the front. No. Stop it. Back up. So these go here, 1x3s. They go right there, and then this one goes right there. There. Then we put the wheel wells on. Now we've got ourselves in the right spot. There. It's getting to look like a truck face already, isn't it? All right. We need 45s in the front. Angle pieces like so. Go on the front, and then I need another one in the front. That'll start off our front grill. Hey, we were right. Check that out. They go in the front by the doors. Hopefully that wasn't too fast. I mean that. Oh boy. I heard that go flying. Hopefully that's not a piece that we need. I'm thinking that was an extra piece. All right, and our little orange tile goes there. Uh-oh. No more orange tiles. I need a 1x3. 1x3 orange tile. Do I have one? Son of a bitch if I don't. Shit. How can I not have the orange tile? Where would it have? I'm pretty sure that's not one went flying. It didn't sound that beefy. Can't believe I don't have an orange tile. Oops. That's not cool. Well, what am I going to use now? What are you going to do now? Well, we'll just have to substitute the color, I guess, won't we? Son of a bitch. There it is, right there. Look at that. It's amazing how I just put it all right here. The stuff like grows legs and just walks away. See, and there's our other piece too. Look at that. There's our fancy one that I didn't need the pieces for to begin with either. Just grows legs and walks away. That's scary. All right. Where the hell does this go? goes right there. That's where that goes more on. There, and then I need the black 2x to go up in the front. I'm just going to leave that 2 tile on there. That goes right there. And this goes right here. I don't know. We'll see. This goes here. And this one goes there. Right? And we need our doors. Another door. Steering wheel. And then a 2x black. And then the white one before. Stuff's falling over. Hate that when that happens. 2x6 blue. Uh-oh. Guess we ain't filling in that cavity, are we? We are just covering it up. And then we need our blue 1x on the front for the front grille. Yeah, that's looking pretty cool. All right, where's our one? This is our mirrors and that's it? Can't be, no. That's just the angle for the front of the cab, apparently. And then it goes towards the inside, so our angle goes like that. Oh, I just tipped all of that over. That ain't cool at all. I knocked something else on the floor. Uh-oh. Hopefully we don't need it. This looks new on the floor. It's just a little gray peg. All right, on to instructions number 2. Ooh, that's supposed to be a hammer here? Nope, broom and a brush. All right, where? Oh, that's attached to the whole front end, so we'll just do the whole front end then. How about that? So that's the front of the cab. Here's the, oh, that's the front. This is our front hood. Nice. City towing, I like that colors. Red and white, that looks pretty cool. Now we just need, you know, these got to go on the top then, don't they? Of course they do. We'll put the ones without the studs on them there then. The extra level. So these ones have the 1x2 flats. Not flats, but 1x2s. So that 1x1 goes there. This 1x1 goes there. And then I need to swipe this 2x for the back. No, 2, 4, 6. 2 high, 1x6. Yes, 1 wide by 6 long. Get the official jargon talk sooner or later. There's our handhold. This one can go up there. We're just going to straight out assume is anybody else being bugged by the fact that that's not quite up far enough? Now it's up too high. Leave it alone before I wreck it some more. All right, we got our handholds on. We got our rear view mirrors on. We got our windshield on. What's next? We need some more 1x's back here. Another 1x1 back there. It looks like we're working on this rig now. Yes, stickers are on. Where's this? Goes on the end here then, doesn't it? How does that go on? Off to the side like so. So we got that done. You know, it's almost harder to figure out how to put this bad boy together. Being in more than one piece. So this can come off. And these can go in here. Because that's where they go. Oh, look at that. All right. Boy, I sure hope that all ties in there somehow. Yes, got all that done. I don't know why it's a big peg on one side and a small peg on the other side. Don't know. Click, click, smokestacks. Go where? Go right down here. There's our exhaust. Cool. Just toodle-doodling along here, ain't we? All right, people, that's just going to have to stay flat. That's all there is to it. Because that's just not agreeing with staying up. There. Just a little bit of know-how, and the problem's fixed. We've got our 24-hour service stickers on there already, so that's good, that's good. And those do go on the side, so that does help hold it down. Not very well, though, I don't think. These things never did slide that well. But I ain't going to be playing with it. Once it's together, it's just going to go live in the garage shop with all the rest of the tow trucks. So could be out driving around town. Never know. Lego cars have been known to be in a wreck or two. So been watching on Netflix some of those tow truck shows, so you can see what some of these semis make a mess out of on the highways. Where am I putting stuff? I got the 2x up there. I need this stuff then. All right. This needs to go on there, and that goes on there. That's where that goes. There, that does help tie things together, don't it? And then I need a blue 1x, which is this whole rig right here. Let's get this. Ooh, not quite that tight. There. Let's wind this up a bit, huh? That's good. All right, done. Got a piece on there, got the ridge tops, got the thing done, got the wire done, got the cable all wound up. Now, these go are super slick jet pieces. Go on the side here like that. And this one goes on this side. Right? Right. And we've got our light bar that goes across the top. That's looking pretty sharp. I'm almost done with this one now already, if you can believe that, huh? Got our radio antennas, and then we put our roof on. Don't grab it by the foghorns because your lights will just come off. Binoculars, lights. the binoculars. Put your tires on. You got your back brake assembly here already done for picking up cars. Oh, we didn't get the cup in there. And we do have the driver with this too. So it looks like we get to take the front end apart after all. So is that it? No, and the grill goes on last. And the roof goes on after we put the people person in there. All right. I don't know where that's supposed to go, or why that's even in there for, but let's get this off, and I don't know, we can take the whole front end apart. We need our Lego cup. Everybody needs a Lego cup in their car. And we got to take them out, so, because this truck is screaming to have a stick shift in it. Right by the coffee cup. We'll take. Now, I'm just not impressed with these GoPro batteries. They just do not last. All right, we got a stick shift in there. Let's turn that a little bit that way. I guess we don't want it too far that way. Put our driver in there. He's got a hold of the stick shift. I guess he just popped the stick shift off. It's a little knobby, so. Close enough. Get our coffee cup in there. Get our windshield back on. Then we put our roof back on. And there's our city tow truck. I like this one. I like that one a lot. That one's pretty cool. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Probably got a couple of more rebuilds to do yet. I know I had a haul here somewhere too. I got a couple of boxes from Salvation Army, but I don't know where they went. So I don't know when I'll be doing that haul. Gonna have to order some parts so I can work on the train yard. I'll probably be doing a train yard video again pretty soon. I want to get some of those tracks ballasted and stuff, and I want to order parts that I need to make an engine shed for some of the engines. But I got to order some windows that go on the top. So I've got a few, but I don't have enough for the whole thing. I need like 10 of them for the top canopy. So, so whenever those come in, I'll try putting that engine shed together and we can place that. So otherwise, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great Lego day.